Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to transfer your Shiba Inu tokens from Phantom Wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your skills. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both Phantom Wallet and Crypto.com apps set up on your device. Phantom is a popular wallet for Ethereum-based tokens like Shiba Inu, and Crypto.com is a great platform for managing your crypto portfolio. Always double-check that you're on the correct network. Shiba Inu typically uses the Ethereum blockchain, so ensure your wallets are synced to that. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app and log in. Once you're in, navigate to your assets and select Shiba Inu from your wallet balance. You'll see an option to send or transfer. Click that to get started. Next, head over to your Crypto.com app or website. Go to your wallet section, find your deposit address for Shiba Inu, and copy it carefully. This address is unique, so don't mix it up with any other wallet. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Shiba Inu you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Pro tip: gas fees on Ethereum can vary, so check current rates to avoid surprises. Hit confirm to send the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Double-check everything before proceeding. Once it's sent, keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Finally, once the transfer is complete, log back into Crypto.com and verify that your Shiba Inu has arrived. And there you go. You've successfully moved your tokens. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify addresses and use secure connections. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.